Let's get to our final trade of the day, which happens to be the Prosper trade of the day. So for that, we are bringing in the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Good to have you here.
Great to be here as always, Angie.
What is your play?
You know what? People are very skeptical of this market right now, especially maybe the FANG stocks, which have had a great run. There's one coming out next week with earnings that I love, Amazon.
Wow, going
love
for the big one.
The big one, and I'm trying to get ahead of this print here. 2000 seems like an inevitable print. We've been there before, hasn't been there in a long time. It coincides with just about what the option pricing is going out to there. So about $100+ move on the print next week. It's a psychological number that the market likes. And I just think they're gonna blow out all expectations, not just from the holiday season, from the retail side of things, but also cloud computing, AWS. So I'm really looking for a big upside move in Amazon on the print.
Okay, so taking a look at the risk and reward from this, what are you thinking?
You know, I'm buying some 2000 and 2025 calls just outright right now. I know it's a few days ahead of the print. I'm looking for a lead up into it, and then at that point, if stock starts to rally a little bit, I'll start selling some other calls against it. But I think that the reward to risk right now is really great, Angie, because I see a very limited downside in Amazon before the earnings release that comes out.
And a good options trading lesson in there, Scott, because when you look at a stock that is that high, if you buy it, you're really stuck in there. I mean, you really have to be committed, but when you do the options, you're paying a lot less for those contracts, correct?
Oh, no doubt about it. And that's what options really allow investors and traders to do. It gives you just a massive amount of leverage and a massive amount of capital to use.
So how much are those contracts going for around-ish? Because it's always fluid.
Yeah, they're about $30 right now, the ones that I'm looking at. But again, I'm looking to hedge that with any sort of rally in the stock. So I'm looking to get into, some really nice upside call spreads by the time the print comes out.
Great to have you here. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.